Hi, my name is Danny. I'm a technical support specialist here at Macherei Nagel in Germany. Recently, we launched our newest spectrophotometer, the Nanocolor Advance. In this unboxing video, I will show you what you get if you order this device from Macherei Nagel or through our international distributors. So, without further ado, let's open this box up and see what's inside. As you can see, the photometer is protected from all sides, and you should always make sure that this is the case once you receive the device. To access the photometer, take out these two boxes, which contain the quick guides as well as the accessories that you need to run the photometer. If you also take out this third protection here in the back, you can easily grab inside the package and get the photometer out. We ask you to keep this package in case you need to send or store the photometer at a later date. But now, let's look at the photometer first. The Nanocolor Advance comes with only one button here in the front that is used to switch on and off the device. Everything else can be controlled with this 5-inch touchscreen. It also has a 2D barcode scanner, as well as a cuvette shaft that is protected by this removable cover. Note that this is not used during measurements, as the device is completely insensitive towards stray light. This is just used to protect the photometer against water and dust, so please make sure to use it if you're not measuring with the photometer. The connectivity ports are also protected by a magnetic cover, which can be easily removed. These connectivity ports include the power port, an Ethernet port, 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-B port. Again, make sure to use it if you're not using the photometer. With this, let's look at all the accessories that you also get within the package. The quick start guides come in the 10 supported languages and contain the most important information that you need to start and operate the device, as well as the safety instructions. In addition, you can always download the full manual free of charge from our website. The accessories include everything that you need for your daily work with the photometer. The power supply comes with 4 adapters for 4 different power outlets. Just choose the right type, slide it in, and once you hear the click, it's ready to use with the photometer. We also include a USB stick for data storage and transfer, as well as device updates. The Nanocolor Advance is our first photometer to measure the new 24mm round tube size. For this we include this adapter, as well as 4 empty round tubes. These are especially useful for our VisiColor powder pillow tests, as they have a large opening and a flat bottom. As with our other photometers, you don't need to send the Nanocolor Advance in for calibration. Just use the 2 calibration tubes for the 24 and 16mm round tubes and calibrate the photometer yourself. Please make sure that the cuvettes you're using and also the calibration tubes are always free of scratches, dust and grease. For this, use the special lint-free cloth, which can also be used to clean the display of the device. Last but not least, we also include a protective hood that lets you protect the device against dust, especially in a lab environment. That concludes our unboxing video. As you just saw, we prepared an extensive package around the Nanocolor Advance that will let you fully use the spectrophotometer from day one. If you have further questions or you want more information on the Nanocolor Advance, please head to our website or send us an email. Links are in the description below. With this, we hope to see you back soon on this channel and wish you a nice day.